How to Increase Your Credit Score by 100 Points in 6 Months by Silverline Insurance. Week 6. Identifying and Disputing Credit Report Errors. Here's what you will learn in this course. Reviewing credit reports for errors, such as inaccurate personal information or incorrect account information. And strategies for disputing errors with credit reporting agencies and creditors. Welcome to Week 6 of our educational course on improving your credit score by 100 points or more. So far, we've covered a variety of topics, including credit scores and reports, budgeting, debt management, credit utilization, credit history, debunking credit score myths, and understanding credit inquiries. This week, we'll focus on reviewing credit reports for errors and strategies for disputing errors with credit reporting agencies and creditors. Let's dive in. 1. Reviewing credit reports for errors. Errors on your credit report can negatively impact your credit score, so it's crucial to review your credit report regularly for any inaccuracies. Some common errors to look out for include: A. Inaccurate personal information. Check your name, address, social security number, and date of birth for accuracy. An incorrect name or address could be a sign of identity theft or a simple reporting error. B. Incorrect account information. Review your listed credit accounts, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Ensure that the account balances, payment history, and account status are accurate. Look for accounts that don't belong to you or have been reported more than once. C. Outdated information. Negative information, like late payments or collections, should fall off your credit report after 7 years or up to 10 years for certain bankruptcies. Verify that outdated negative information has been removed. D. Fraudulent activity. If you find accounts or activity you don't recognize, it could be a sign of identity theft or fraud. Report any suspicious activity immediately to the credit reporting agencies and the relevant creditors. 2. Strategies for disputing errors with credit reporting agencies and creditors. If you find errors on your credit report, it's essential to dispute them promptly. Here are some strategies for disputing errors with credit reporting agencies and creditors. A. Gather documentation. Before filing a dispute, gather any relevant documentation that supports your claim, such as account statements, payment records, or identification documents. B. File a dispute with the credit reporting agency that has the error on your report. Contact the credit reporting agency, Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. You can file a dispute online, by mail, or over the phone. Provide a clear explanation of the error and include copies of any supporting documentation. The credit reporting agency is required to investigate your dispute within 30 days, and they'll contact the creditor or furnisher of the information for verification. C. Contact the creditor directly. In addition to disputing the error with the credit reporting agency, it's a good idea to contact the creditor or furnisher of the information directly. Write a letter explaining the error and provide any supporting documentation. Request that the creditor investigate the issue and correct the information reported to the credit reporting agencies. D. Follow up on your disputes. After you've filed your disputes, follow up with the credit reporting agencies and creditors to check the status of your claims. If the error is corrected, request a written confirmation from the creditor and ensure that your credit report has been updated accordingly. E. Monitor your credit report. Keep an eye on your credit report to ensure that the errors are corrected and no new inaccuracies appear. Remember, you can check your credit report every day via Credit Karma or Chase's Credit Journey and utilize the built-in dispute process to report errors on your credit report. In conclusion, reviewing your credit report for errors and disputing inaccuracies are essential steps in maintaining a healthy credit score. By regularly monitoring your credit report and taking prompt action to correct errors, you'll be one step closer to achieving your credit score improvement goal. Join us in Week 7, where we'll cover strategies for a review of debt management options and the role of credit counseling. See you in the next session. Week 6 Action Steps. After completing Week 6 of our credit score improvement course, you can take the following 2 critical action steps to make the most of what you've learned. 1. Review and monitor your credit reports regularly. Obtain a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major reporting agencies, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, at least once a year to check for errors or inaccuracies. Ensure they remain accurate and address any issues promptly to maintain a healthy credit score. You can access these reports via platforms like Credit Karma or Chase Credit Journey. 2. Dispute errors promptly. If you find any errors on your credit report, take immediate action to dispute them with both the credit reporting agency and the creditor or furnisher of the information. Provide clear explanations of the errors and include any supporting documentation that validates your claim. By taking these 2 critical action steps, you can actively apply the lessons from Week 6 to your financial life, further strengthening their foundation for improving their credit scores throughout the remainder of the course. If you are enjoying this resource and think others would benefit from it, please ask them to enroll for this course by visiting our website. Also, remember to like our Facebook page and share your positive experiences with us as you build your credit.